Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can display selected color images in your product page of the Shopify store. So this video is specific for Spotlight theme. If you have any other theme, then I have already created a lot of videos with different themes. I will be adding the link below in the description for the playlist. If you still don't find, then you can contact me, I will create it for you. So if you still don't find the video, then you can message me. I will help you out in solving that problem. So here on my screen you can see that I have this product page, and I have selected right now black color, and below you can see that I have all the other colors also displaying. So for say example, I am selecting ice blue or maybe white. So white color image is displaying here, but below it we have all the other colors which are displaying. So how we can avoid displaying all the other colors and only displaying specific images which are connected with this specific color? So firstly you should go to the dashboard and click on customize. So let me change the view of this these images. So click on this product, and then after you should click on this product information, and here right now it is selected stacked. You should click on thumbnail carousel and then click on save. Now you can see that in the front view you will see that small images are displaying over here, and if you will see here, all the other colors are also displaying. If I am selecting black color, so only black color is displaying here, but all the other images are also over there. So we are interested to hide all the other colors and only make it visible the selected color which is over here. Okay, so let's go ahead step by step. So the first step is that you should go to the products, and for this example I am taking the example of this product, embody flared leggings. So here you can see that we have gallery of all these images, and make sure that you have selected images for each color variant. And I have already added a link below in the description, so you should follow the documentation. Here is the documentation. You should open document.txt, and here you can see that the first step is update all text of images in the gallery for each product. So what exactly it means? It means that we have this gallery, so for all the other products also, for now I am giving you the example for this product. So for all the other products you should do the same thing. So you should click on each image, and here you need to update the alt text. So where exactly we are getting the value of alt text? So you should have to copy the color name. So for example, right now this image is of ice blue, so I'm going to copy this ice blue color and then click on image, and here you need to paste that color name. Similarly for other images you should put the color, and make sure that this color should be exactly same which you have added in the variant. If you are avoiding if you are doing any mistake related to spelling or maybe capital case or small case, so definitely it will not work. So right here you can see we have black image, so you should copy the black color from here and then click on the image, paste the alt text, and then save the changes. So you should do all the same step for all the images which you have for all the products. So in that way we are actually comparing colors with the color variant. So now we have the last image which is white color image. So you should copy the color variant from here and then select this and paste the alt text. So we have for now 4 images for each color variant. If you have more than that, then of course you have to do the same thing for all the images. So I have updated all text for all the images. So now we have to move ahead with the second step, which is you should go to snippets and open product-media-gallery.liquid. So you should copy the name from here. Firstly you should click on these 3 dots, duplicate the theme. So if you are duplicating it, later on if you have any problem or something, you can actually roll it back to its original version. So I don't need to duplicate, so let me click on edit code, and here you will be finding some folders, and here you should search product-media-gallery.liquid, and inside of it we are going to make some changes. So the first thing is you should add the attribute data-main-color equals to double quotes. So you should copy and make sure that attribute you are going to add in first UL tag. So we have an unordered list tag. you should scroll a little bit down and you will be finding that UL tag here, and inside of its opening tag you are going to maybe paste it right here. You can paste it right here. Here, can you see I have pasted this attribute. Then the second step is you should add this class name in the UL tag also. So you can see that we have all the other classes mentioned here. So in the beginning of it you are going to paste that new class which I have just copied. Then the next step is paste below code inside the first li opening tag. So basically these are 4 lines of code which we are going to add in the opening tag of li. So you can see that we have UL tag and inside of it we have an li tag. So just where you have the closing bracket, just above it we are going to paste these 4 lines, and then after we have to go ahead and paste these 4 lines also in the li tag which is inside the loop. So let me show you what exactly I mean. You should scroll a little bit down, and here you can see that we have a loop of this product.media, and inside of it we have another li tag, that is opening bracket is here and closing is here. So just in between you have to paste that code. Now the next step is, so we have pasted this. Now the next step is the third step, which is go to last UL tag and do all the stuff again. So you can see here on the top we have a UL tag. So similarly we have another UL tag at the bottom. So in this whole file we have 2 UL tags. In the first tag of UL I already added all the things, but now I am going to do the same thing in the second UL tag. So here in the second UL tag I am going to add the attribute data-color equal to double quotes. So here I am going to paste. Then after we have to add the class name inside the UL tag also. So here is the class and I am going to paste that class name here. Okay. Now the next step is paste below code inside first li opening tag. So similarly, just like we did before, so you should copy these lines of code, scroll a little bit down, and you will see that we have an li tag, and inside of this opening tag you are going to paste it. Okay. Next step is you have to paste these 4 lines inside the li opening tag, but make sure that should be under loop of media. Okay. So you should scroll down, and here you can see that we have this media loop and we have li tag, and inside of this li tag I am going to paste those 4 lines of code. Okay. So that's it for this file, and now the final step is that we are going to replace a file which is gallery.js, media-gallery.js. So I have already attached the file which is this one. So you need to copy this complete code and paste it right here, but before that you need to remove and paste exactly the same code and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can click on preview store, and let's see how it looks now. Now here we go. You can see that right now the selected color is black, so all the black color images are displaying. If I am selecting ice blue, so all the ice blue images are displaying. If I am selecting white, here you can see that we have white color, so all the white color images are displaying. So that's how you can actually do the stuff into your store. This is quite easy, and you just need to copy and paste the stuff. If you are stuck somewhere or you have any problem or something, you can directly message me and I will help you out in solving that problem. If you have any new feature to develop for your store, then definitely you can contact me. I have already given the contact details below in the description. So I will help you out in solving all those issues, and we can also create some new additional features. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on TikTok, Facebook and Instagram. If you have any doubt or something, you can also ask me questions below in the comment section. So thank you once again. See you in the next video.